Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and just before we start, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, set it to all, then you'll be informed when there are new videos. I keep forgetting to say all this, you know. Anyone would think I was new. Anyway, I know what it is. It's because I've been blinded by the amount of yarn that I bought, and I've been shopping, and so I've been buying lots of yarn, and I wouldn't mind, but I've already bought lots of yarn. But although I've already done a yarn haul for B&M and a yarn review for B&M, guess who bought more from B&M? And there's new stuff. So a few days back, I went out and I'm saving this yarn. I can't say saving, that's really makes it sound like I'm not saving it, I'm saving it up for making a project, because when you go in places like B&M, they might have a few on the shelves, you might be lucky to get quite a bit, but you know, they don't always have quantity, and they do, I think, at the beginning, but people buy 3 or 4, and in the end you're lucky to get some. So when I was in there, they had some of this, and I thought, right, I'm grabbing it while I can. It's 100% acrylic, I think this is 100 grams. Where am I? Let's find super specs. I've got a feeling these are a bit strong for me, so I don't like to wear them because I need to get thinner ones. Yeah, 100%, nope, 80% acrylic and 20% polyamide, 110 meters. It's machine washable. This is called Heritage Super Soft Yarn Twist. It's $1.99 for a skein, which is unbelievable value. Unbelievable value. And where are we? Can't find the number. Here we are. 2200623, as if that's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? But it is absolutely beautiful. And if I bring it here, this is the colour. It's like a real, hide the microphone, it's a really dusky pink. It's beautiful. So don't always have it, and I've got a bit of fibre now, so I got 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that was the other day, and while I was there, because I'd made something for the baby and I'd run out of pink, I did pick up 2 more balls of this pink, and it is a really lovely pink, and it's nice and soft. Having said that, I've just recently bought more baby yarn, which was in my other yarn haul, and I also got 2 of these. Remember the speckly ones? They don't always have them, so I just grabbed an extra ball of each. So that was what I got the other day. Wasn't too serious, was it? But excuse me, been back since. So what did we get? Let's have a look. Now, to go with that one, I always try to pick this up when I see it, because I never see the brown. The brown is lovely, and I wanted to mix the pink, the brown, and this, because this is obviously the pink and brown, and I think it looks lovely together. But this is called Serenity luxury yarn, and again it's $1.99, but you get a bit less. It's 97% acrylic and 3% viscose, and you get 100 meters in there. It's machine washable, but I want to make something big with it. So I got 1 2, what else did I get? Let's have a look. Try and put them there for a minute. So 3 4. I just grabbed what I can when I can, because they don't always have it. Is there any more of that in there? May come across some more of that. What on earth is all that? Oh yeah. And then I spied one that I hadn't seen before. It's the same series of yarns. They have a green, and although I wouldn't normally buy green yarn, it is absolutely gorgeous in the green. But I saw navy blue, and I'm a big fan of navy blue. I wear it a lot. When I was younger, I wore jeans and a navy blue t-shirt, different ones every day, but they always had something different on you, whether they'd have Snoopy on or whatever, but they were always navy blue, because navy blue is my colour, and so I love navy blue. So this one is the navy blue with the little fleck in. It's kind of looks a bit lighter near the camera, but you don't see so much of the fleck further away. This is called, well, it hasn't got, it's not a name, is it? It's M001382. It's a good name. So yeah, I got 1, 2. So I want to make big things, you know, have enough to make something good with. 3, 4. I cleaned them out basically. Oh, it's too far away. 5, 6, because they make such big bags. I might actually fall in the bag. 8. So I've got 8 of those. And Gary said, what are you going to make with that? A big ugly jumper? Big ugly sweater. So to go with it, and this is just so soft. I love this. Another super soft twist yarn, which is $1.99 a skein, and it's the same as the pink that I got. So 80% acrylic and 20% polyamide, 110 meters, but in this really lovely ultra soft navy blue. And I got 1, 2 on the floor now. 3, 4. They didn't have many. So obviously now when I go in there, I've got more to save. And I also bought these for the kids for the party, and they just blow bubbles. Like you can blow them and a little stream of bubbles come out, and I've got 1 each for the little ones. So not yarn, I know, but heaven knows where I'm going to put it all. I have no idea whatsoever. And it's just taken over the room now. I really need that yarn room to be finished. So I hope you like what I got, and I'm absolutely in love with these and this one and that pink. And they had a gorgeous brown, but they do have a lovely green. I like all of it. All of the different ones that they've got in are just absolutely gorgeous. Such good quality, an amazing price. And but that's quite thick yarn, you know, it's like a chunky. It's not thin. It's definitely a winter make coming up for that one. So thanks for watching, and that's it. That's all 3 of my little yarn hauls and my happy mail all at once. So wowza. I won't upload them and put them all out there at once, but don't forget to watch out for the yarn reviews, because I've got some kind of what's the word, not amazing, it is amazing though, surprising prices. So thanks for watching, stay safe everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.